Hey cuties and beauties, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Mina Milan and I am back with an unboxing. So today I received my package. These shoes are like the Louis Vuitton Booties. I'm not really sure exactly what they're called. Let me look that up for you. These are called the Silhouette Ankle Boot. They have like a sock-like figure on the entire foot of it, and they have like the Louis Vuitton monogram canvas on the heel. So they just came in the mail today from FedEx. I actually ordered them on this Monday, which would be which would have been the 14th. Actually, I think I ordered them on no. I actually ordered these over the weekend on Saturday. So they came in about 3 days, and I think that's really good timing. And I ordered these in a size 41 because I read some reviews that they run pretty small, but I'm usually like a 41. I mean, in any designer shoes. So yeah, let's see what they look like. So after opening the box, they left me this little card. It wasn't like a Merry Christmas card, but that's what I thought it would be. But it says, "Thank you for shopping with Louis Vuitton. Your product has been crafted by experienced artisans with exclusive materials, then packed with the utmost care, following strict sanitary guidelines. Please prevent any contact with oil or alcohol-based substances such as cosmetics, perfume, hand sanitizer, or disinfectant. Find our complete care instructions on us.louisvuitton.com." So it's just like a little what to do, what not to do. The Louis Vuitton symbol. And but I also read or heard that on YouTube a girl said that if you don't get this part protected, that the sole will mess up really bad. So I'm actually gonna take these to Tony, my shoe repair guy, just to protect them before I wear them, but I'll try them on with you guys. Let's take the stuffing out. I like these little plastics. You can keep those in there. All this stuffing, like so much stuffing. Okay. So it's like a soft sock material, kind of like the Balenciaga ones. But it's actually like very more stretchy. But it seems a little tight. And I have really big ankles, so I hope that they can fit in there. But let me take out the other one. These are them. They're super cute. I really like them a lot. I did think that the heel was going to be a little bit bigger, but I looked at them again after I ordered them, and it just seemed like that the heel was so much shorter. I wish that it was like a longer heel, because I really like heels. But these seem like that you can wear them like every day, and they seem like really comfortable. And these are the Silhouette Ankle Boots by Louis Vuitton. So let's go into the facts about these boots. So I ordered these off the web because I actually went into the mall to try them on in person, but they did not have them. They actually did, but they had them in like a 37, and I just didn't even want to see them after that. If they're not in my size and I can't walk around in them, then I honestly just don't want to see them. So I took a chance to order them offline. They were like $1,200. I think they were like 1,108 or something like that. Let me see if there were receipts in here. Receipts not even in here. me check on my phone. It's like the price is nowhere to be found. It's like they want you to forget you ever spent it. I did not forget. Let me see. Okay, so with everything with tax, so they retailed at $1,140, and then with everything with tax, the tax was $63.84, so it made it out to $1,203.84, and it got to me in 2 days. So I was really happy about that. Let's try them on. Okay, so please don't mind my hair. Like, I cut bangs into this closure and style because it was like lifting, and I'm getting my hair done on like Friday, and like I just could not walk around like that like for like a week. But now I'm walking around with chopped hair because I did not go to hair school, so I just cut it. My bangs are kind of okay, but I tried to like angle, like cut around my face, like shape it, and it just choppy. So don't judge me, okay? I tried. Anyway, right off the bat, okay, these boots are tight, okay? You need to size up twice in these. Like, I'm just gonna give it to you straight. I'm a size 10 in regular US, but in YSL, but in my Louis Vuitton sneakers, I'm a 41. Like, I don't know why, but boots are funny though. Boots are funny, especially like booties. Booties are funny. So like, you need to size up twice in these boots. If you're gonna get these boots, and I recommend them because they are cute and they are comfortable enough, like you can go shopping in them, but they just need a little bit more room in the toe area, like for me personally, to just walk around in them comfortably. If you're trying to wear socks with these, don't wear socks. They seem a little bit slippery at the base of it, like on the outside. On the bottom, they seem a little bit slippery, so I would definitely suggest getting like some type of grip or something. In my defense, I did just go shopping today. That's another vlog I'm gonna upload, like more at home stuff, like home decor and stuff like that. Oh my god, I didn't record that, but whatever. I'll show you all like the reveal of my house and what we did buy in the vlog. But this is just something I'm doing on the side to show you all the boots that I got. I love these boots. I just personally would have gone up to a 42. So if you're a 41, you know, I'm 5'9", you know what I'm saying? I'm 181 pounds. Like I'm a big girl, so I need a 41, like period. But these I need a 42 in. But I did just walk around shopping all day, so my feet might be swollen. So I'm actually gonna try them on probably tomorrow morning. And if they're still tight, then I'm gonna return them for a 42 because they're just too expensive to hurt. I do not wear shoes that hurt. That's like my rule. because I like to wear my heels like when we went to the movies, or when we could, like, or if we're going to like a small dinner, for shopping. Like today I wore some heeled booties, and they have to be at least, I have to be able to at least walk around for 2 hours in them. If I can't walk around for 2 hours, I'm not buying them. I'm just not, especially if they're designer shoes. Like, I'm not gonna waste my money spending $1,000, $2,000 for boots that hurt, that I have to complain about hurting my feet. So these are super cute. They're so perfect for winter, fall. They're cute. They're cute. I just feel like I need to go up a size. I need to go up to a 42, and they'd be perfect. Because my toe, it's like, it's right there. So yeah, so now, yeah. They're cute though. I'm gonna give you guys like a little preview of what they look like completely. And you guys let me know what you think. So, what else? Yeah, definitely go up 2 sizes in these, for sure. You have to. You have to. One thing I do like about them is that they're kind of low-key. Like, it's kind of like you can wear them with like sweatpants, or you can wear them with, I don't suggest jeans with these. I just don't like the look. Well, I mean, you could wear jeans with them, because I have on jeans right now, and it's just like, here, I'll show you what I mean. So do you see how like they look like they're just like a sock boot basically? They just look low-key, but then it's like, you know, business in the front but like party in the back, which I like a lot. They kind of feel like compression socks. Like, they're super tight. Like, they are flexible. I just would suggest going up 2 sizes, definitely, for sure. But it's just like jeans, excuse me, they just kind of look like, you know, like just kind of plain. Like, there were some really cute ones on the Louis Vuitton website, and they were like all Louis Vuitton print, like what's on my heel now, but like all over. But I showed them to my man, and he was like, looks like you're trying too hard. And it's like, I never want to be one of those types of chicks that like tries so hard to show that they have designer. Like, I'll never post my designer like on social media. Well, this is different because I'm doing this to show like reviews and stuff like that. But I'll never post like when I'm in the Louis Vuitton store, or like when I'm in whatever store, Gucci store, whatever. I just feel like it looks like that you've never really been there. And it's just like, I never want to be the type of person that always boasts about materialistic things, because this stuff can all burn up like tomorrow. Like, but what do you really have? You know what I'm saying? So it's just like stupid. I don't know. And it just looks so thirsty. But I really, now I feel like I should have got those, because like now I feel like, you know, I am glam. Like, I do too much, like in real life. Like, why not do it on my shoes? I'll insert like something right here that shows you the ones I was looking at that I might return these for. But I don't know. Let me know what you guys think. I might just keep these anyway, just to like wear, like just be professional, like meeting clients and stuff like that. And just, you know, just like, he's drilling right now while I'm doing this, putting up the stuff that we bought from at home. So I'm gonna end it right here. Babe! Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that you like it. Make sure that you subscribe and keep watching.